finna snatch this bonnet off, and we finna get it popping.
Walk in your trap and take over.
Okay, whoa. You gotta bring that back.
Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gon' hold it.
Okay, guys, so she finna lay this wig down, finna snatch this bonnet off, and we finna get it popping. This is my lady right here. Introduce yourself if you want.
How y'all doing? My name's Tawana.
Alright.
Tawana from the MIA.
Alright.
Miami for life.
So that's why I'm trying something different. So I'm gonna do red because I don't really do color like that. So this the wig, y'all. She finna get me right. I put a wig cap in there too.
I got it. It look like that for now. It ain't gonna look like that when it's on her head.
She gonna get me right.
What's been going on? Chilling.
Chilling like
You just want glue, right?
Yeah.
Glue right last time.
Came out so easy, so nice. Yeah, I don't give much bald.
Okay, girl.
Very much bald.
Very much. Just watch. She got it made. I thought they're not doing shit. And I got it made. That kept them making doing shit. I thought you had came here yesterday.
I decided to just use a wig that I bought a wig from here that I could just put on myself and I styled it myself. But I didn't want to put like a lace front on until I seen you. And I'm gonna show you what I did too. It came out so cute. Oh my god. It was one of these little raggedy dusty ass wigs too. I fixed that right on up.
You know what? Leave me alone.
I'm for real. And they're like, what you want to I'll watch and see.
The back, you going back down? No, right?
Nah.
Cause you got that scratch and all that stuff back there. That's why I said.
Yeah, because it's supposed to be a glueless wig, but I want to put glue. Because I want security.
I need a little security.
Yeah, because niggas like to pull and shit. Like, we need security.
You better pull that black part back there. Hold it on.
Yeah, that's what we gotta do.
Hold it on.
And what I want to do is I want to do a middle part. I want to bust down middle part. And I want to make it into a blunt cut bob. Can you do that for me?
Girl, please.
Whoa. You can't do me that?
No problem.
I feel like Jessica Rabbit already. I feel so bad. I feel so bad. You know that song, Bad to the Bone? I'm feeling bad to the bone. Ooh. Are y'all seeing that color though? Let's get into the color. Let me get y'all into the color. It's
I'm
the
gonna dance that in the give me a fucking ticket.
Let's get us stable. Okay. Alright, we stable.
To the bone, to the bone, to the bone, to the bone. Hold on, hold on. Let me do something. I'm gonna check all that before I let you out my shit, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you to the bone. Turn it straight up like that.
When they try and pull you in, I'll be the first one down to ride. You know I got you, because I can tattoo on